Today I'm going to show you how to make a funny sound with a balloon. For that you need a balloon. First step, you need to catch it from the back and stretch